Today's LeetCode problem is matrix reshape. So today we will reshape a matrix. We are given an m by n matrix and two integers r and c, representing the number of rows and the columns of the wanted reshaped matrix. We are asked to reshape this matrix. The reshaped matrix should be filled with all elements of the original matrix in the same row traversing order as they were. So, let's start solving this problem. Let's first create a list comprehension to create a 2D list res with dimensions r by c and initialize all the elements to 0. This creates a list with c, 4 times elements, all initialized to 0, and then this list comprehension iterates r times 1 time. As we see, it returned 2 multiplied by 3 matrix, and each element is initialized to 0. And remember, the structure of the matrix is determined by the values of r and c, specified here in the list comprehension. Let's assign this list comprehension to variable rest and go on writing our algorithm. In the next step, we iterate over each element in the reshaped matrix, which has dimensions r by c. Then we take I divided by c, give us the row index in the reshaped matrix. I mod c give us the column index in the reshaped matrix. Let's return and see the I divided by c. These results are the row index in the reshaped matrix. Then returns and see the I mod c. This result show the column index in the reshaped matrix. And we return both I divided by c and I mod c. Return as 0, which is from the index represent the row and column index of the reshaped matrix res. Then we update the values in the reshaped matrix res like this. Instead of the c, we take the number of columns in the matrix nums and we repeat it. Instead of this c, again we take the number of columns in the matrix nums. Now this I mod m gives the column index in the original matrix. We swap it with this I mod c, which gives the column index in the reshaped matrix. One is the column from the original matrix, another is from the reshaped matrix. Okay, I divided by m gives us the row index in the original matrix, and I divided by c gives us the row index in the reshaped matrix. One is the row from the original matrix, another is from the reshaped matrix, and we swap them. Now let's return and see the results. As we see, it returned the expected result, but it's not the end of the task, because on the LeetCode task it says this: if the reshape operation was given parameters is possible and legal, output the new reshaped matrix. Otherwise, output the original matrix. So it means if the numbers are not equal, it indicates that the reshaping is not possible, in short. And the original matrix is returned unchanged. So we can check it with the conditional statement if r by c. But first let's assign the number of rows in the matrix nums into the variable n variable. We needed to check the conditional statement. So we can check it with the conditional statement if r by c is not equal n by m. It means check whether the number of elements in the original matrix nums is different from the number of elements in the reshaped matrix with dimensions r by c. If the number of elements is different, it implies that a valid matrix reshaping is not possible. They must be the same. If they are different, not possible. We cannot reshape. If we change the element in the list, or if we make it empty, we see here it returns the empty list. It means the condition we wrote now works okay. But if we don't check whether the reshaping operation is valid or not, then it throws an error. If we handle this case, everything works fine. So we solved the problem. Congratulations.